The Simulator tab creates virtual BACnet devices without hardware. The left side is configuration, the right side is live monitoring. In Quick Template, choose your template first, then unit, device ID, and UDP port. Select temperature and your preferred unit, degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, or Kelvin. Each simulator needs a unique device, ID, and UDP port. The first simulator often uses 47,809, the next 47,810, and so on. Choose manual for a fixed value or random for automatic updates. Set your starting value. In random mode, set the update rate in seconds. Humidity and LED templates use a 0 to 100% range. Click Start Template. The device appears in running simulators and opens in Object Monitor. The table shows ID, name, template, mode, port, object count, bound IP, status, and a control toggle. On the right, pick a simulator and browse its BACnet objects. Values refresh automatically. Select an object to see mode, update rate, template, present value, units, and description in live details. Each template creates 7 BACnet objects, AI, AO, AV, BI, BO, BV, and MSV. AI_1 carries the template behavior.